Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add users here in Zoho Books. All right. So first up, log into your account. And now once you're in here, just go to the top right, click on the gear icon beside your profile. Click on it. And once done, go to the Users and Roles tab. Okay. And here, click on Users. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, click on Invite Users. But if you want to invite accountant, you can click on Invite Accountant right here. Okay. Invite users. Now fill in this form, okay? You'll need the username. For example, Ryan Tristan, like so. And then I'm going to add in the email address. And then once done, click on the drop down and add in a role. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and select staff, okay? And once done, I'm going to click on send invite. Now it says here, your invitation has been sent. So Ryan Tristan right here will only need to open up his or her Gmail. Okay, that's what we have added right here. And then just hit on confirm. All right, they should receive the same exact email like, hi, Ryan Tristan, you have been invited by the admin of People Plus to join their Zoho Books organization. So click below to either accept or reject the invitation. View invitation. There you go. And just click on accept. Redirect now, and the person who was invited is now on your organization. And that is it. Now, when you go back to the user section, as you can see here, it now says active. That is how you add users in Zoho Books. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.